All right, you are welcome again. Today, let's talk about some special cases in logarithm. Let's take a look at this question. Find the value of x in each of the following. Number 1, 3 raised to power x is equal to 11. Number 2, 6 raised to power 7 minus 2x is equal to 7,776. You get it? Okay, now let's go. Number 1. We say 3 raised to power x is equal to 11. In some cases where we have two logarithms with the same base, we do away with the log, right? Good. But in this case, we bring back the log. Or we simply say, taking the log on both sides. Taking the log on both sides. So that means we're going to have log 3 raised to power x is equal to log 11. So when we have log 3 raised to power x, this exponent x will come to the back. It's the same as saying x log 3 is equal to log 11. Is that true? So here we divide both sides by log 3 because we are looking for the value of x. So when we divide both sides by log 3, it's going to give us x log 3 divided by log 3 equal to log 11 divided by log 3. All right, good. So here we have x is equal to log 11 divided by log 3. So when you say log 11 divided by log 3, it's going to give us 2.1827. So here we say that x is equal to approximately 2.1827. All right, good. Let's take a look at the second question. The second question says 6 raised to power 7 minus 2x is equal to 7776. So what are we going to do? Let's take the log on both sides. Also, taking the log on both sides, we have log 6 raised to power 7 minus 2x is equal to log 7776. Okay, so in this left hand side where we have log 6 raised to power 7 minus 2x, so the whole of 7 minus 2x can come to the back. That means we have 7 minus 2x in bracket log 6 is equal to log 7776. Okay, so let's divide both sides by log 6. So when we divide both sides by log 6, we're going to have 7 minus 2x log 6 all over log 6 is equal to log 7776 all over log 6. Okay, so log 6 will cancel log 6 in the left hand side. So we'll be left with 7 minus 2x equal to, when we say log 7776 divided by log 6, is going to give us 5. Okay, yes. So here we have 7 minus 2x is equal to 5. Let's take minus 2 to the other side and 5 to this side. That means we have 7 minus 5 is equal to 2x. 7 minus 5 is 2. So we have 2 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2, we have x is equal to 1. So we have solved, and in the first question we see that x is approximately 2.1827, and then the second one we see that x is equal to 1. You can try substitute. Let's see whether you have the same answer. Okay, substitute. Let's try it. Yes, thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Let's take more examples.